Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the price details and offers on the Realme X1 Max device, what you can actually expect right now during the Flipkart Diwali sale. The main reason is because there are plenty of deals are going on in the Amazon and the Flipkart, and a few of the users, they're still waiting for the Realme X1 Max deals. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm getting on the Realme X1 Max. Can you please check any kind of offers available or not? And at this moment, there is no offers on the Realme X1 Max. Unfortunately, that's kind of sad part. And 1 month back, we did see the price about close to 20,999. That's the lowest so far. The Realme X1 Max price decreased. That's a very good deal at that time, and few of the people, they are really lucky to buy at that minute, because after that we didn't see any kind of sale during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. Even couple of sales as well. Still, the price did not decrease. So right now in the Flipkart, you can actually buy for about, I think, close to, let me try to show you exactly 25,749 rupees. If you have the SBI bank cards, you can actually get the discount up to 1250, as you can see. And if you try to observe the different kind of phone, let me try to show you the different phones. For example, Realme GT Master Edition. If you try to observe this phone, there's a promotion going on, 4,000 rupees instant discount. So this instant discount is not applicable for the Realme X1 Max, unfortunately. If they add the instant discount on the Realme X1 Max, then definitely the price can be really reasonable. It can come close to 20,999, but I don't think at this moment they're trying to sell this phone. They're trying to clear the stock of other Realme phones, because they already cleared the stock of the Realme X1 Max a little bit. So now they're planning to do maybe for the other phones. So right now, even the Realme GT Neo 2 also has got the same kind of offer which is going on in the Realme GT Neo 2. Let me try to type the Realme GT Neo 2. So as you can see, friends, in the Realme GT Neo 2, there is a 4,000 rupee instant discount available on this model as well. But there is no instant discount on the Realme X1 Max device. So this is another sad part at this minute on the Realme X1 Max. Still, the people who are actually looking to buy this Realme X1 Max, so it's kind of really sad. But the main reason why they are not that convinced, there are a couple of other things as well, because few of the users, they still want to buy the Realme X1 Max for the 3.1mm jack and a couple of other things. So right now, the lowest price of the Realme X1 Max you can actually get in the Realme store, which is for about 24,999. So 25,000 is the lowest price you can actually get right now. That is the only offer which is available. There is no 20,999 rupees. Unfortunately, we may not be able to see that kind of deal again. So maybe when the Realme decides to clear again the stock, maybe at that time. So in the Realme website, you can actually find the 2,000 rupees discount on the credit card and credit card EMI on the ICICI bank cards. Can clearly see here. And the Flipkart, you do get only less discount, but in the Realme website, you can actually get the slightly more discount. And I did order a couple of things from the Realme website as well. So for me, there is no bad experience happened. That's another question. Few of the users, they'll definitely ask me, is it okay to order from the Realme website or not? So these are the things which I thought of concluding for you all. So definitely, friends, there is no offers on the Realme X Max, unfortunately, on the Diwali sale, because during the Big Billion Day sale also, few of the users, they did wait for the Diwali sale because the offer may come, but now the offer is not coming on the Realme X1 Max, unfortunately. So if you have the plans, you can definitely buy the other phones, Realme GT Neo 2 or maybe iQOO 7 device, maybe Poco F3 GT or Realme GT Master Edition. But let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts, and how many of you people bought the Realme X1 Max for 20,999 rupees, that golden days. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's treat of more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.